Today I'm going to teach you Igbo from 1 to 10 in Igbo and some words in Igbo. So let's get started. Now I'm gonna say 1 to 10 in Igbo. So let's get started. 0 adigi, 1 otu, 2 abụọ, 3 atọ, 4 anọ, 5 ise, 6 isii, 7 asaa, 8 asatọ, 9 itoolu, 10 iri. Wonderful Igbo! Let's get started with what we're going to say. Come is bia. Gawa is go. Oche is chair. And we have nne is mommy. And we have akuko is book. And I want to tell you a song that is about akuko and money. So it goes like this. Akuko na tuto, onarahu na muta, onye were nkasi obi, ọ ga-amụta akuko. N'ọbụrụ na nne gị na nna gị wee go. N'ọbụrụ na nne gị na nna gị wee go. So what that song means is, you want to go to school, but your parents don't have enough money. But if they have enough money, you can go to school. That's what it means. So this is my beautiful Igbo dress, and it's called in Igbo uwe, which means dress. Gasahu, which means go and shower. Damchonu, which means shh. When your mom or dad is talking to you, or you're talking so much, or you're cutting down, they will say, Damchonu, shh. Galons. I'm pooping by my tenty. Next we have mmiri is water. Mmiri is water. Next we have akuko is book. Ishi is head. Anya is eye. Eze is teeth. Imi is nose. Tongue, ire. We have uku, leg. Hand, aka. Afo is stomach. Ear is nti. It could mean ear or listen. That's what it could mean. If your parents are Igbo, please learn Igbo and subscribe to my videos. Igbo amaka! Bye guys! See you tomorrow! Bye!